stuff, but he still is in love with her. And he wants to be with her, but he can't. So it's like a song of he's sad, but he's also like angry, and it's just awesome. So, okay, we're gonna go. Ready?